Hello YouTube, I'm going to make a quick video on how to get your PS4 into 4K mode on certain TVs that aren't connecting. I have a Vizio TV. I know Vizio TVs weren't doing it. I know certain Sony TVs aren't doing it. I know certain Samsung TVs aren't connecting. But what's going on is when you connect your PS4 Pro up to your 60Hz 4K port, when you first install it, it downloads a patch, and then once the patch installs, you get a black screen or you get a no signal screen. So I'm going to show you a quick little 5-minute way how to bypass that. Like I said, I have a Vizio TV. This actually worked for me. I've seen a couple other ways on YouTube. One involving more money being spent. I already spent $400 on a PS4 Pro. I had a regular PS4 previously, but I have a 4K TV. So yeah. So basically what you want to do is turn your PS4 off. And this is for you guys that are playing in 1080p on a 30Hz port. This is what you want to do. So what you want to do is come back here. Once you turn your PS4 off, you want to then change your HDMI cable from a 30Hz port, then plug it into the 60Hz port where you're getting the black screen or no signal. Once you do that, you want to start your PS4 in safe mode. Wait for the second beep and make sure it's in safe mode. There you go. Alright. I already have it done, so you're not gonna be able to see the whole thing, but I'm going to explain it. Like I said, when you do this, you want to be in a 30Hz port. No, my mistake. You want to be in the 60Hz port when you're doing this. So once you change from your 30Hz port to your 60Hz port, you want to go to before I go to that though, another thing, your Hdcp mode in your settings on your PS4. If you're playing in 1080p, then your Hdcp will be at 1.4, and you will not be able to change this from 1.4 in 1080p. And your goal is to get that Hdcp mode to 2.2, because that's where it needs to be to play in 4K. So yeah, let me go back. You don't want to mess with that here though. You want to go to number 2, which is change resolution. So once you click change resolution, it's going to tell you it's going to restart. You click OK. You wait for your PS4 Pro to restart. Now, like I said, you have to be in the 60Hz port to do this. So your PS4 and your TV basically pick up the signal that you're in the 4K port, and yeah, all that tech stuff. So once it restarts, it will bring you to your resolution selection. Now, if you're getting a black screen on the 60Hz port, you're going to want to switch back to your 30Hz port at this step, because you're not going to be able to see the screen. So once you switch back to your 30Hz port, you want to come up to, there's two 2160 options. You want to go to the YUV 420 option. Now, the reason why you want to wait until your PS4 fully resets and fully turns back on inside this 60Hz port is because it will not pick up the signal, and then when you go to do your resolution selection, these two options will not be able to be chosen. So you want to make sure you change it after it's all reset, and after that white light is no longer blinking. Once you do that, you change it into your 30Hz port, then you select the 2160 option. Now I've already done it, it's going to come automatically for me. So once you've chosen your 2160 option, you want to then change your wire back to the 60Hz port, and then you should be all set. Like I said, it takes 5 minutes. The video is just now getting to 5 minutes, so it probably takes about 4, maybe 3.5 minutes. Really simple. This helped me. A lot of other things didn't help me. I seen people started in safe mode and doing a whole bunch of other things. People buying things, even bypassing the HDMI cable through the PlayStation VR. I don't have PSVR and I don't plan on getting it. So this is for you to get your full experience and for you to get your money's worth with the PlayStation 4 Pro. I hope it helps, and thank you.